Oh my god. When you're the face of DedSec. Watch Dogs 2! Or is this 3? I don't know, it's Legion. She's like, I'm a police officer, what am I doing during DedSec?
Ah, London. Music, theatre and art and multiculturalism.
Carefully, Dalton.
Right in the House of Commons. Whoever these men in black are, they've got brass bollocks to set up in the centre of government.
This is a trap. Okay, cool.
And the bombs have just armed themselves.
Fuck's sake.
Okay, they're not joking. Do I not have a gun?
Fitting sequence.
Ooh, I got him.
You need to pull the controller wire.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Bombs defused. See? That wasn't so bad, was it?
I knew that thing did nothing.
Time for a hard reset.
Alright, I'm going with the only Asian lady. What's up? I'd like to speak to you, please. Hello? Oh, no. Didn't mean to do that, sorry.
Why are you running?
What is this? Open.
Got it. No time like the present.
Tries to hide right DedSec, literally on the door. Bit spooky in there. Hello. Oh, that's sick. I love that. I love the computers are all liquid cool with neon pink liquid. That doesn't make any sense.
Patching in Sabine Brandt now.
Can I be naked? Oh my god. No, I can't do that.
All right. Where shall we start?
Make no mistake, London is
Start by getting hammered.
armed
I'm gonna get drunk. Start by getting hammered.
Armed
I'm gonna get drunk. First mission of the game, I wanna play drunk. Let's get hammered. What you do? What you want? What you want, son? Best operator. Blackout in the first mission. Alright, let's go. That's right, that's definitely not mine, but let's write it. No mission if you choose to accept it. I'm hammered, mate. What's up? Is that a checkpoint? What? Sorry. Wait, why am I so low? Okay. I swear to God, I'm gonna kill myself before I even get to my first mission. It's like playing game on hard mode, except I'm not. I'm here. I'm on set. What's up? When you're the face of DedSec. Gonna hide behind this dumpster. I'm trapped. Pow. That worked. Pow. I'm trapped. I'm sorry, mate.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Take down. Let's go. I just killed him. Interact. Yes, that's what I needed. I just put my bloody hand through the machine. Okay. Am I supposed to? Yo, let that lady go. She's nice.
Control to all units. Possible hostiles near
Sorry,
your
what?
location.
Message received, moving in. Over.
That wasn't the objective. Excuse me? I'm not here. No, I'm not here.
Target is long gone. Disengage. Over and out.
They call me Mr. Camouflage. Challenge completed. This is what propaganda.
Hey guys, subscribe to my boyfriend's YouTube channel. He's awesome.
Thanks, honey. Coming in for the plug. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you in the next episode.